Greetings of the season for all my dear Unionites. We are heading for the festival season now. So I wish happy Dasera, happy Eid, and happy Deepavali for all my dear Unionites and their families. As a country, we went through a lot of difficulties in the last few months in view of the COVID situation in the country. It was a crisis of the century which we have not seen in our lifetime. It has impacted the banking industry, all businesses, the economy, everywhere. Slowly, the life is coming back to normalcy. Now, MSME segment plays a very great role. Either it is a contribution to the GDP or for employment generation. Realizing this, the government has taken a lot of steps to keep the MSME units live and active during these difficult times. So realizing that, our bank also was very proactive and taking a lot of steps during these difficult times to keep the MSME units live by giving them additional working capital and refacing term loans and providing all the support for MSME units and all other businesses also. Now it's the time to reactivate and revitalize all these units. The economy is slowly coming back to normalcy. We see the economic activity has reached 90 to 100% levels in many of the sectors. So this is a time we need to reach out to our MSME units. So our departments have conceived this plan of MSME Utsav from 17th October up to 31st December. There is a scheme for everyone here, be it a professional, be it a doctor, professional, there is a separate scheme. Then for a trader, for manufacturer, whoever falls under this category of MSME, there is a scheme. And there are relaxations given on the margin requirements, interest rates, and there are schemes up to 2 crores where there is a CGTMSE cover to specially facilitate the smaller units which are like impacted during the COVID times, so that when there is no collateral to offer, they don't suffer for lack of credit. I think the branches have to activate themselves now. I understand that we have gone through a lot of difficulty. Things are slowly coming back to normalcy. But then we have to play our role as a banker to the country and being a public sector bank to support all these MSMEs to come out of this problem. If we don't reach out and give sufficient credit to these MSMEs, then they will lose this war and it is very difficult to revive them later. There is a beautiful restructuring scheme available given by the regulator. We have already given the operating instructions. Wherever there is a hit because of the COVID, please proactively restructure the term loan, even the working capital loans wherever it is required, looking at the impact of COVID on these units. You can facilitate by good guidance so that these MSMEs come back to normalcy quickly. The schemes are there. A lot of relaxations are there. Use this well. And like within next 1 week, I would like to see that all our 9,500 plus branches canvas at least 2 MSME accounts and give limits under this scheme, because that will really kickstart this campaign well. This campaign is available up to 31st December. Let us do the maximum during this period. We will be playing a great role, not only saving our MSME units by contributing to the Indian economy, for the revival of the economy and for Atmanirbhar Bharat. All the very best and thank you.
Dear Unionites, MSME sector is a growth engine for Indian economy. This sector contributes around 35% to the GDP of our country and accounts for around 50% of our exports. 67% of MSME customers get funding from informal sectors like sahukars, indigenous bankers and money lenders, etc. There is a need to bring all those MSMEs which are getting funding from informal sector to formal banking sector, and Union Bank of India has to play great role in this regard. We are the second largest player in MSME sector in the banking industry after State Bank of India. COVID has severely impacted MSME sector in India, and Union Bank, to support its customer, has come out with good schemes like CECL and UGCL and gave timely support to our MSME customers. Now, economic activity is getting back on track and it has reached almost pre-COVID level. All the indicators of economy are showing a sign of revival. There is a substantial rise in consumer demand and festival season has already started. In order to give a focused attention to the growth of MSME sector, we have launched a campaign in the name of MSME Utsav. We have launched this campaign mainly focusing at three schemes. One is Union Progress, another is Union Professional, and third one is Union Ayushman Plus. I take this opportunity to call upon all my branch heads, Saral head, regional heads, and FGMs to wholeheartedly participate in this campaign and let us post very good numbers and let us achieve double digit growth by December. We are looking forward a very good outcome out of this campaign. I wish a very happy Durga Puja and happy Dashera to all of you.